So my friend, a dropper, I believe, is the person who is under the highest amount of pressure. सबसे ज्यादा प्रेशर मेरे भाई एक ड्रॉपर पे होता है. क्यों? क्योंकि you have left your college. Now everybody is expecting that you get a job. Secondly, your parents, your relatives all keep asking you, all keep bugging you that when are you going to get a job? And then your friends which used to study with you in college, they have also graduated, they have also gotten into a job. Okay, they have also gotten into a job. So that means there is an additional pressure on you. There is an additional pressure on you because you see the people, that were studying with you have already moved on to the next stage, So many kind of pressures are there and there is always a fear of failure. ठीक है, हारने से डर लगता है, हारने से मेरे भाई डर लगता है, क्योंकि ये लगता है अगर if we lose, what we are going to do, what reply are we going to give to our parents, what reply are we going to give to our relatives, friends, everybody. वो जवाब देने से डर लगता है, रीजन देने से डर लगता है मेरे भाई. तो सबसे ज्यादा प्रेशर होता है एक ड्रॉपर स्टूडेंट पे. ठीक है, एक ड्रॉपर स्टूडेंट पे सबसे ज्यादा प्रेशर होता है. तो देखो आप लोगों के साथ ऐसा होता होगा, you all might see that people would be asking you, your parents, if you are living away from your parents, will be asking you how is your preparation going. Your relatives will be asking your parents how is your son doing or daughter doing, when are they going to get a job, है ना. And your parents would be giving an example of many other students that have already done well in their career. So all these things keep bugging our mind, and whenever we are studying we get distracted, we get a lot of negative thoughts. What if I'm not able to do this, है ना, नहीं हुआ तो क्या करूंगा. किताब खोल करके पढ़ने बैठे, बीच में अचानक से दिमाग में ये बात आ गई कि अगर मेरा रैंक नहीं आया तो व्हाट आई एम गोइंग टू डू. तो जब ऐसी चीजें होती हैं तो दे डिस्ट्रैक्ट अस अ लॉट फ्रॉम आवर स्टडी. सच काइंड ऑफ नेगेटिव थॉट्स distract us a lot. And many of your peers, many of your friends might also be demotivating you. Many people might be coming and telling you, यार गेट में ईएस में अपॉर्चुनिटी तो है नहीं, कैसे निकाल पाएगा, इतना कंपटीशन है, there is so much of a competition, how you are going to crack the examination. So all these things will create an aura around you, of the entire negative thoughts. You will be totally engulfed into that, you will totally be encapsulated by that. All around you negativity will be there. But what I feel, my friend, what I feel honestly is that hard-working people never lose. Hard-working people are never going to lose, because success might be delayed, but it will not be denied. है ना. अच्छी चीज में देर हो सकती है, लेकिन मेरे भाई अच्छी चीज ना मिले ऐसा मेहनत करने वाले के साथ कभी नहीं हो सकता. तो मैं बार बार मजाक में भी बोलता हूं, बट इट इज वेरी ट्रू, लाइक रुको जरा सब्र करो. सो इफ यू आर वेरी वेरी इम्पेशेंट, यू डोंट हैव कामनेस, देन you expect immediate result. That if I have started preparing right now, I need to see the results right away. But my friend, life does not work like that. When you do one thing again and again and again and again, then you become a master of that art. So guys, let me take my own example. I have taught electrical machines for the past 7 years. More than what to say, 4,000, 5,000, even more than that. I have taught 4,000 to 5,000 hours of machine. But still when I teach the machine, then I get new concept, then I get new knowledge which I never had earlier. So you can understand, when I have been doing the same thing for the past 7 years and still I am getting to learn new things, still I am improving, still I am growing, then you can understand that, my friend, hard work never stops in life. So guys, I myself am at a very good position at a director level in an academy, okay, and financially stable as well. But still I am working at least 12 hours each day. So that should be the attitude. That should be the attitude. If we stop doing the hard work altogether just because we believe that we are not going to make it, then, my friend, it is a cause and effect relationship. Just by imagining the result, you have created something due to which you will now not be able to crack it. You yourself have done something that will not let you crack the exam. Okay. So that is the cause and effect relationship. Just in the pressure of cracking the exam, we ourselves do something that stops us from cracking the exam. So my friend, a positive mindset. I know it is very, very difficult, but it is very necessary. It is very necessary. People will come in your life to always distract you, to always take you away from your goal. But my friend, the challenge lies in not deviating from our path. When we have chosen a path, like many people who have joined an academy, or if you are following our YouTube channel, when you have chosen a path, then blindfold yourself and walk upon that path continuously. Keep walking, keep walking, keep walking until you reach your destination. ठीक है, चलते जाना है मेरे भाई. वो गाना भी है ना, मुसाफिर हूं यारो मुझे चलते जाना है, वैसा ही हिसाब है. You just keep walking, because if you look here and there and again change the path that you are going to take, then how, my friend, are you going to reach the destination? Let me show a practical example as well. Suppose we are here and this is our destination. Okay. So you started something like this, but here you again changed it. Here you again changed it. Like this. So do you believe that you will be able to reach the destination? No. But my friend, even though you might take a longer path, but path must be same. Path must remain the same. Though it will not be as short as this, some student might take this. To take this direct path, you just need guidance and mentorship. But for this, you can do self as well. Okay, that is the only difference between guided preparation and self preparation. The length of the path, the timing of your success changes. Okay, but my friend, if you keep changing your path, you are never going to reach your destination. So whoever you follow, like if you are following me or any other person, but keep your direction same, under so much of a pressure, don't buckle and keep changing your direction. That is the first message that I want to convey.
It's time to experience something glorious. Unacademy Combat. Compete, crack, conquer.
A challenging GATE contest engineered to give you an experience like none other.
Where you put your knowledge to test
and battle it out with the best.
To bring out the best in you, Unacademy Combat is the most competitive, gamified contest for GATE till date, with the best of the questions by best educators.
with detailed video solutions from top educators right after each contest.
Combat live with peers to get real-time rankings and win big.
Participate in every contest to improve your ratings.
Challenging contests every fortnight or alternate Sunday. Live ranking after every question. Big rewards for top rankers. Your passion to crack GATE deserves this. Your hard work towards your dream deserves this. Fuel your inner fire for the ultimate GATE challenge. Unacademy Combat. Register now.